Hey there, need your 1099 tax form for your accountant or files? Printing tax documents from Fidelity is simple, and the forms are designed to be IRS ready. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to print them. Access your forms in the Tax Info and Forms section of your account. Select the tax year and the form you need, e.g., 1099 Composite. Open the PDF, which is typically a pre-formatted, print-friendly document. Use the print function in your PDF viewer. For best results, use black ink on white paper and ensure you're printing at 100% scale. My crucial pro tip: print for filing documents, not preliminary. Wait until your final, corrected 1099 is available, usually by mid-February, before printing for your records or to send to your tax preparer. This avoids using outdated information. That's how you get a clean, official copy of your investment tax paperwork. Do you file your taxes early, or do you wait until the April deadline? Let me know in the comments. For more tax season guides that save you time, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.